Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anggi Trianto. In here, I will explain about parallel computing. And what is parallel computing? Parallel computing is a type of computing architecture in which multiple processor run or process application or computation concurrently. Parallel computing help in large computing by dividing the workload between more than one processor, all of which work toward the compute at the same time. Most supercomputer use principle of parallel computing to operate, and parallel computing is also known as parallel processing. Dan di sini dapat diartikan yaitu dari komputasi paralel atau parallel computing, yaitu sama dengan multitasking. And next, example of parallel For example, there are two people sailing the boat of the same process, namely sailing but with different user. Another example is, for example, someone is sailing when he is sailing, he also listens to music. In the second case, the person did concurrent activity, namely sailing and listening to music. Here di parallel image. Dan dapat kita lihat di sini yaitu di mana paralel dapat melakukan kegiatan dalam waktu yang bersamaan. Contohnya, pengendara pesepeda, maksudnya pesepeda A dan pesepeda B melakukan mengendari sepeda dalam waktu yang bersamaan. Kemudian mereka juga dapat mendengarkan musik. Kemudian mereka juga melakukan kegiatan yang lain di dalam satu waktu. Contohnya seperti ini. Dan kemudian yaitu concurrent programming. What is concurrent? Concurrent is a process that is run at the same time, or a process that can do several things at once. Jadi di mana concurrent itu tidak dapat dilakukan dalam satu kegiatan, tapi kegiatan yang dilakukan yaitu secara berurutan. Dan contohnya seperti ini, it can be interpreted that concurrent is not run simultaneously but is done simultaneously. An example in real life is when some is cycling, then the socials are until the person fix the socials and the sailing again. In the example above, there are two operations, namely sailing and repairing socials. When the above work can be done simultaneously, but that is parallel is currently image. Jadi di mana pesepeda melakukan pekerjaan dalam satu waktu tapi tidak dalam waktu yang bersamaan. Contohnya, pesepeda ini melakukan kegiatan menaiki sepeda Kemudian pesepeda itu melakukan mohon maaf, tali sepatunya mengalami lepas, otomatis dia tidak dapat melakukan menaiki sepeda, kemudian dengan menalikan tali sepatunya. Dan diartikan dalam proses ini pesepeda tersebut harus berhenti, kemudian menali sepatunya, kemudian naik lagi ke pesepeda, kemudian melanjutkan. And next type of parallelism, granularity. Parallelism granularity dibagi menjadi 3 bagian, di mana bagian pertama yaitu bit level parallelism. Bit level parallelism is from parallel computing based on increasing processor word size. Increasing the word size reduce the number of instructions the processor must execute in order the platform and operating on variable whose size are greater than the length of the word. And next, instruction level parallelism. Instruction level parallelism is the parallel or simulation execution of a sequence of instruction in a computer programming. More specifically, ELP refers to the average number of instruction run per step of this parallel execution. And the third, text level parallelism. Text parallelism is a form of parallelization of computer code. Multiple processor in parallel computing environments. Task parallelism focus on distributing tasks concurrently performed by processor or threads across different processor. And thank you. Sekian presentasi dari saya. Apabila masih ada kekurangan, mohon maaf. Dan terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.